So let us erect a statue at Benoni Junction, Hareban Galatina, Tinga. People will contribute of Benoni. This is development for the people to remember of this great man. The generation in next to come will forget about that era. So lest we forget about that era, let us erect a statue in his memory. And Bharat that contribute on that day. Is this not a development to remind the people of Benoni? मैत्री दोगांयकोय आपयताय आनी रॉयल लागीत तुका आपण कातल डेंगरास स्टेटमेंट बरोय म्हळ्यार जानाय पुलीस आर प्रोटेक्टिंग देम आमगेले शेतकार आमी आदींच 5 म्हयने जाले शेतकार एक पुलीस डेली राती गोरवां सोडटा आनी आमगे शेत गट्टण करून उडयता पुलिसी बरे गेले जे बी येले आमकां बरोबर पुलिसी कित केलें रे फकाण केली आमची वयल्यान आगदेल आपणे बुडून सोडपूण कांयच केलें ना बिकॉज तो एक सरपंच उड आनी आमी हरोज काडाय वचून सो दीट इज द ड्युटी ऑफ द पुलीस टू टेक केअर ऑफ अस सो दॅट इज द होल मोटिव इज टू राईट दैट इज दैट पुलिस इज नॉट प्रोटेक्टिंग द ऑनेस्ट पीपल पुलिस आर नॉट प्रोटेक्टिंग द ऑनेस्ट पीपल द मेन मोटिव बिहाइंड दैट इज दैट
Anyone must go especially Western bypass committee garden over so ये committee bypass है almost and ये committee overpass ना अब तो तुम किसको जाएंगे आसुम नहीं सकता तो जाएंगे पर तुम तो लोग तो then आगे मैसेज नहीं तुम बस नहीं करो तुम एडमिट हाँ तक पावर मैसेज करो मासो इल्ला बोले ओपन तो बोले सगळ्यांना कोण होते वेस्टर्न बायपास कमिटी किती मेंबर आहे कोणावर कितो तुम डिसिजन घेतले की तुम्ही कोण आहोत आणि आम्ही त्याला सांगतो फायनल तो कोण आम्ही तू गेले कोई पक्ष दौडायचं तुला कोर्ट पासून उडवली ते इथलं थ्रू पासून तू होईल दिलं कोण नाही
one minute let me कोई not in tradition business tradition मांडली जाणार myself there will be 4 of us as individuals myself Rocky Raymond and Alvin I mean after the we are not sure where the court was पहिले and now the panch members and the sarpanch had informed us where the case was nothing so this was a gross negligence from the panchayat body I'm not only blaming the sarpanch they shut down we met the advocates they were asking us for the report baba all report people had to sell it so we don't know till today what is going on आता algebra community was in vaccine bypass community already what was the result if the bypass doesn't go ahead when we had stopped it out all of us has given our time so when time waste kela royal is here everybody is here at least it could have given us some notice of the case madila so this is so this is I think even this body is failing on this on Western bypass issue we had ample amount of trust when this body was elected we had ample amount of trust in them forget about the last body we had it's almost a year now since this body is there but they have not done anything I think you should give an answer to this whether the writ petition will go ahead or won't go ahead समझ वाले बाणात बुडवले forget about the previous body I would say that they were not bothered at least we had trust on them they were not bothered about the thing so you have
मोरे प्रपोजल हांवें घायिल्लो तें कितें म्हणटा आमगेले डेप्युटी सरपंच तूं RTI घाल आनी बीन होल्डर मिसींग जालें तेजी RTI घाल सगळें RTI ग्रामसभा RTI घाल RTI गेले जाल्यार वन मंथ वयता आतां कितें 35 lakhs मोडाय तेमी तें कांय ना RTI घाल म्हणटा तूं घेता गे
किती 35 lakhs कित्याक मोडला
बिल्ड करपाक
कितें करपाक
ते भितर बिल्डींग रूम काडपाक
MRF मटेरियल रिकवरी फॅसिलिटी सो फूल पंचायत पळय तूं गुगल कर आनी चोय ताका खाली रेज मारपाची एक शेड आसपा जाय तें भितर दवरपाक सेग्रिगेट करपाक आनी बेलिंग करपाक बेलिंग मशीन आहा तसो ती बसोवपाची बेलिंग करपाची हे येदे व्हडले स्ट्रक्चर बांदिलो 37 lakhs आमगे गेले टॅक्स पेयर्स म्हणून कोलवा पंचायताक वयता थिंग 4 लाख आमी तो केलो हें कितें केलें तें सगळें चुकलो हांवें गेलें म्हणटा पयशे आमी लागले तुमचो येयलो आतां 1960
विलेज पंचायत खाना मेनावलींची ग्राम सभा जाल तितून मेन प्रपोजल आहलो एक मिस्टर जॉन बरेटोलो टू इन्स्टॉल स्टॅच्यू ऑफ जॅक सिक्वेरा ओपिनियन पोलाचो आमचो मेन फायटर सो तेक लागून आमी एक रेजोल्यूशन घेयला एंड वी विल फॉलो अप विथ दॅट एंड द अदर थिंग वॉज अबाउट द वेस्टर्न बायपास. They wanted to know what was the status of the western bypass, and earlier we had filed a miscellaneous civil application before the High Court, and now upon the legal advice of the council who is advising the panchayat and are appearing for the panchayat, the same has been withdrawn and they have given with permission to file a writ petition. So the writ petition has been finalized and it has been sworn in by the Sarpanch, Mr. Xavier Pereira, and it will be filed in the following week at the Honorable High Court of Bombay in Goa.
Regarding boards,
regarding the hoardings and all, the hoardings, yeah, we are going to look into who are the owners. We have to find out who are the owners because we have not been receiving anything all these years. So and we'll be sending a letter to them to either we have to see whether they can be put up in where they are. Otherwise, we'll have to ask them to remove it, and if they can, then they'll have to pay us the fees for it. Yeah, that he has made a statement, but we are just going to look into it because I believe there is a certain place where you can put up the hoarding. So we'll just dwell into it and we will decide on that matter.
And regarding the SOPO,
the Gram Sabha said that it is better that you give it on contract basis rather than taking it on the panchayat and the panchayat doing it. So we are going to also deal with that matter.
members of your cost is much higher than MRF share
Compared to the
other panchayats. For example, Gulwa Panchayat has just spent 4 lakhs and you have spent something around 35 lakhs.
The MRF shade was done in the previous body, but I mean I'm not I don't have an answer to give you right now, but it was done in the previous body, so I can't comment on that right now.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.